Through this video, we shall learn how to represent and visualize real numbers of the type 3.765 and 4.2626 on the number line by successive magnification. Let us begin with the question number 1 of exercise 1.4 under the chapter number systems. The question is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Step 1. The given number 3.765 lies clearly between 3 and 4. Because this is greater than 3 and less than 4, so we can say that 3.765 lies between 3 and 4 on the number line. Now we divide the portion between 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts as shown in the figure. Then the first mark to the right of 3 after magnification of the portion between 3 and 4, which we can assume that after magnification the portion between 3 and 4 appears like this. The first mark to the right of 3 will represent 3.1. Then second mark will represent 3.2. Then 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 and so on. And the 10th mark will represent 4. Here we have used the word magnification because we may feel difficulty in reading the marks between 3 and 4. So we have taken the help of magnifying glass here. Now the given number, which is 3.765, lies between 3.7 and 3.8. So we divide the portion between 3.7 and 3.8 again into 10 equal parts. The first part to the right of 3.7, which is actually 3.70, will represent 3.71, the second mark 3.72 and so on. The 10th mark will represent here 3.8 or 3.80. Step 3. Now the given number 3.765 lies between 3.76 and 3.77. So we divide the portion between 3.76 and 3.77 into 10 equal parts. The first mark to the right of 3.76 will represent 3.761. As 3.76 is nothing but 3.760. So the mark right to 3.760 will be 3.761. The second mark will represent 3.762 and so on. And the last mark, that is 10th mark, will represent 3.770 or 3.77. The fifth mark here will represent 3.765. This is the representation of 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification for visualizing this number. Now taking the question number 2, visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Here the given number 4.26 bar can be written as 4.2626 as required here up to 4 decimal places. Step 1. Clearly the given number 4.2626 lies between 4 and 5. So we divide the portion between these numbers, that is 4 and 5, into 10 equal parts. Then first mark to the right of 4 will represent 4.1, the second will represent 4.2 and so on. The 10th mark will represent 5 or 5.0. Step 2. Now the given number 4.2626 lies between 4.2 and 4.3. So we divide the portion between these two numbers into 10 equal parts. The first mark to the right of 4.2 will represent 4.21, the second 4.22 and so on. Step 3. Now the number 4.2626 lies between 4.26 and 4.27. So we divide the portion between these two numbers into 10 equal parts. The first mark to the right of 4.26 will represent 4.261, second mark will be 4.262 and so on. Now adding one more digit in decimal part. The given number 4.2626 lies between 4.262 and 4.263. So we divide the portion between these two numbers into 10 equal parts. The first mark to the right of 4.262 will represent 4.2621, second will represent 4.2622, third mark will represent 4.2623, fourth mark 4.2624, fifth mark 4.2625 and the sixth mark will represent 4.2626. This is the representation as well as visualization of 4.2626 using successive magnification.